Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Today is Saturday. It is the 13th of August 2022. Excuse me, I had a little phlegm there. So, couple projects going at once today. One I'll show you, one I won't. But, alright, so Faceboard is on here now, okay? One of the guys was working on this while we were working on something else. He had said, don't do nothing, I'll come down and I'll do it when I get here. So you can see he screwed the screws, cut the thing so that you know, because it could have been done either it could have been cut here at the angle, or like what he did here, adding on, which is going to give us a nice faceplate. Once we put the gutter on, it'll be perfect. So what we're going to also do with the gutter is going to go up underneath the underside of the drip edge, so there's not going to be any backsplash and that type of thing at all. And so that's what that is going to look like. And so that'll be a much better surface. Like I said, I am not a carpenter, don't claim to be a carpenter, really don't have the skill set to do it. And so he did it on this back side here as well. So he's got that part of it done. And so then the next thing is going to be getting the gutters hung, and then getting things lined up so that it all comes in together and right into there. So that is the game plan. And so hopefully that by the end of today, that'll be all done. And like I said, we're working on another project that's going to be labor intensive and time intensive. But we've got it figured out what we're doing with our other project, and it's actually going much smoother now because of working on what we were working on. But let's take a look here. We got good sunshine going today. So we'll turn this on and we'll take a look and we'll see where we are at with this. It's comfortable today. We're in the 70s. So we're going to take a look at this real quick. And we'll see where this is at. So I'm going to leave that on there. Charging 96%. So I'm going to say we're in pretty good shape. Right now it is 11 o'clock in the morning, I think. Yeah, about 11 o'clock. So battery's almost completely charged, which is a good thing. But it's a comfortable day. It was very comfortable last night sleeping because it was very cool. We'll go over here. So there's a group of folks. Hey, everybody that doesn't want to be on video, look the other way. Otherwise, say hi. So yeah, we all got our shirts off, but we got yeah. So but we got bacon going right now. We're using this little bitty pan. I'm not sure if we're going to have enough room in here, but we're going to get the eggs going here shortly as well on this. So this pan, guys, just so you know, this was given to me by a subscriber, and finally able to utilize it now, because I always said it's like with this pan, I got to have a good group of people that we're feeding to utilize this. So I mean, you can section it off, you know, cook rice, whatever you want to cook, you know, beans and everything else in the different sections. So, but so that's what we're doing here. We're getting that rocking and rolling. And so that's our breakfast. We're having a late breakfast because Sandra took her time getting here this morning. No, I'm just giving you a hard time. She had the eggs, so I had the bacon, so we had to wait for her to get here with the eggs. But we got absolutely, I'll show you the sky here. It's a gorgeous day. Like I said, not too hot, so we're not dying, sweating to death. But we're making progress on some projects, which is good. So very good day that way. The entire group could not be here today because other obligations. But we got a couple more people coming a little bit later. I did see, now I have not opened them up yet, but I will start working on that today, just so you guys know, people that have reached out. I will start making phone calls back today for the first people that wrote first. and I will be getting back to people that were interested in being part of the group down here. But no, we got a good group of people. Everybody gets along really, really well, and that's a very important dynamic to me, that you know, everybody gets along and that we can, you know, work together. And that's one of the keys, guys. If you are trying to put a group together, trying to get a group of people that you plan on working together in an SHTF type of event, you have to get along. You don't need drama. You don't want drama. So you need to find out who's going to be a good fit and who's not going to be a good fit ahead of time. And then you just go from there. And you get the people that you definitely know that are going to work together, that can get along. Because in an SHTF event, you will all be living together for a long, long time. You know, so those are important things. But so that's what's happening here today. We got more work to do, so we're going to, like I said, we're going to eat, and then we're going to get back at it. And we're making really, really good progress with our projects, and so that's a good thing. But so I'll show you, we got the eggs are ready to go with the peppers. And did she put onions in here too, or just cheese?
Peppers.
Just peppers. Well, she got the cheese in there too, right? Yeah. Okay. So the eggs are ready to go. So when we're at that point, and so that's where we're at today, guys. Just kind of showing you real quick. Like I said, I hope everybody's doing well. I hope your weekend's going well. So if this goes out, this part goes out to Chris and Jen. Look at, because you guys didn't show up today, we got a beautiful day. Every weekend that Chris and Jen has been here, or any get-together that I've had in New York, it has rained. So I definitely will be doing a get-together next year. I definitely want to promise you that. I actually have a location picked out for down the road there, where we can get together and do a get-together next year. And so I will be talking to those people about that. And I think that would be, it's a great location, and it would be perfect for a prepper get-together. So anyway, so that is where we are at. Like I said, again, I hope you all are having a great day. Real quick, I'm going to mention my website, preppernurse1.com. We have the Prepper Nurse One community there, which is a resource that we have set up for you guys to be able to connect with like-minded people in your state or in your country. You do have to register, but no credit card information is asked, and so definitely check that out, okay? Also, like I said, you do have to register, but no credit card information is asked. Once you're in, check out the message boards. Look for people in your state or your country. Secondly, we have the Forefathers, which is the CBD and hemp store. If you check them out as well, again, preppernurse1.com, you will see the Forefathers logo. You click on that, it will take you to their website. Once you're over there, if you decide to make a CBD or hemp purchase, you can save 15% by using the discount code PrepperNurse1. Last but not least, we have the Legacy freeze-dried food on my website as well. So preppernurse1.com, click on store, it will drop down, you will see Legacy Foods. You click on that, it will take you to the store within the website. 25-year shelf life, GMO free, gluten options available. It is also vegetarian, but there are beef and chicken options that can be purchased separately. Real good thing to have in your long-term prep, so I would encourage you to do so. Alright guys, well I'm going to jump off because we're going to eat and get back to work. Remember, we are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. As soon as we can figure that one out, we will be in much, much better shape. Also remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life, so it's really important that we tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Last but not least, STD, step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that's going to stop you from reaching your goal is you. That's it, nobody else. Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. All right? I will see you all later, and hopefully on the next video we'll have more progress to show you with the gutter system and getting the rain catchment set up, and I will talk to you all later. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.